Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to part 3 of the Aero drift kart build series. Now in this video, this is a pretty short one, but it's pretty easy. We're going to install the seats today. So here's the hardware that you need. The top ones is pretty much for the seat and the bottom one is for the seat support. So we're going to go ahead and start with the back support and the bottom bolts and nuts. Now we do have a little bit of adjustments on the frame, so adjust it accordingly to the height of the driver. One thing to note is if you're moving it back, make sure it doesn't touch the rear axle, and if you're moving it forward, make sure it doesn't block the battery tray. So now we're going to go ahead and install the actual seat. And when you place the seat down and bolt it down, make sure the back of the seat is touching the back support. Alright, so here are the bolts and the orientation that you need to install the seat. So you're going to go ahead and grab the 35mm M6 bolt along with the oversized nut, and you're going to use that as a spacer. So do it accordingly, and then on the bottom grab the big washer and the nut and go ahead and tighten it down. So after you install the seats, you're pretty much done with this part 3 of the install. I know it's a very short one, but be sure to look out for part 4 of this drift kart build series, because we're going to install the angle kit, and that's the main reason why these karts can handle the way it does. If you guys are interested in your own drift karts, be sure to check out our website www.battleaero.com. If you guys can also hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and that's pretty much it for this install. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.